In this video, we will discuss the different power options available across the Alta automation line. Power plays an important role when it comes to selecting the right automation solution. Knowing the benefits and possible pitfalls can help narrow the choices in order to find the best solution for your needs. First, we will discuss lithium-ion battery-powered motors. This power option will likely be the most common that you come across. The reason for that is because these motors have an embedded battery, or a battery that resides inside the window treatment. Since there is no external power source required, it makes lithium-ion installation incredibly easy. The only thing you'll need is a charger to recharge the internal battery. A charge takes about 6 hours to complete and will last roughly 500 cycles, or about 6 months, with normal usage. When choosing a lithium-ion motor, be sure to consider whether or not the charge port can be easily accessed. This is one of the biggest drawbacks to lithium-ion motors. Next, we'll cover the DC power motors that we offer. All of these motors need to be powered by some kind of external power source. There are 3 different power options available for DC powered motors: external battery, transformer, and power panel. Since all 3 different options are low voltage, every motor in this category is either 12 volt or 24 volt. The external battery is the same type of lithium-ion battery that resides inside the lithium-ion motors, except you will have to mount it behind the shade. Using the provided clips, you can mount the battery to the back of the headrail or to the inside of the window frame. The battery being on the outside means that you will have to plug it into the motor, but it also allows you to order a motorized shade at a narrower width than a lithium-ion motor. It follows the same rules in regards to charging and usage, so you don't need a separate charger for an external battery. The plug-in transformer will provide constant power to a single DC motor. The biggest benefit of this power option is that you never have to recharge any kind of battery. Due to the motor receiving all of its power from the transformer, it will have to stay plugged in at all times. This also means that the motor in question will need to be within range of a standard 120 volt outlet. The power panel will allow you to directly power multiple DC motors at once and is great for larger installs. To use the power panel, you will need to mount it in a central location in the home that has access to a standard 120 volt outlet. Every window will then need to have low voltage wire run from the motor to the power panel. This allows the panel to power multiple motors while only taking up a single outlet. The power panel excels in a home that has already been pre-wired for low voltage. The final power option Alta offers is AC power. AC power is only available on our strongest motors due to the amount of torque that they have. All of these motors are high voltage and require 120 volts to power them. Since these motors are constantly powered, you never have to worry about charging a battery. Due to the amount of power these motors require, there are only 2 options to power them. The standard option on the AC motor is a 3-wire pigtail that can be hardwired to a junction box by an electrician. Again, this process must be done by a licensed electrician. If this is not an option, then a standard 3-prong plug-in cable is also available. We hope that you now have a better understanding of the various power options that Alta Window Fashions offers across our automation lines. Thank you for joining us, and happy selling!